Hello everyone, Roblox Voice here back with another video. In today's video I am going to be doing part 2 of my gun shop. As you can probably tell, the gun shop is not here anymore. I have changed my mind about the design, and I already was at max blocks. So right now I am making a base. It is a printer base, gun shop, bar, and just a place to chill. I hope you guys like this video because it is longer than most of my videos. So let's get right into the time lapse.
I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help.
I got some inspiration from another base I saw online. So I went for a futuristic look with the yellow window beaming down the middle. I think this added design and also made it look really good. When I spawn in the plot, a lot of people tend to come over and see what it is. Please like and subscribe because this video was 26 minutes in normal speed. I try hard to post every other day for you guys. I would really appreciate it.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
I love posting videos that are harder to make. The walls on this base were so hard to make.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside,
Thank you all for watching this video. As always, in Roblox Voice, thanks for listening.
I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down.